Our team was inspired to build a new customer center. We heard feedback directly from our customers that they weren't able to clearly access what they needed in one central location.
Our customers are very busy. They're legal professionals. A lot of times their time is billable and the stakes are super high. So getting them help when they need it without having to rely on the customer support team is a win for both us and our customers.
The main highlights I would call out would be around our enhanced AI chat, as well as the enhanced search.
Creating all the good content and all the Help Center articles and all the guidance is only good if our customers can actually find it.
The other big call out would be our Litera University, as well as our support page within the customer portal. So now our customers can quickly interact with our support team and get their cases and their questions to them really easily in real time.
The Litera Customer Center is way more than just a place to go file a support ticket. It's where we want our customers to go to get help when they need it and whenever they need it. Litera is raising the bar for customers by making their success our #1 priority.